Vander,
What does a lion say?
what does a lion say? What does a cow say? No, a cow. What does a doggy say? No, what does a doggy say?
What does a doggy say, Vander? Ruff, ruff.
What does a cat say? No. What does a cat say?
What does a bear say, Vander? Hey, Vander, what does a bear say?
Hold on. What does a bird, Vander, what does a bird say? What does a bird say? Vander, what does a bird say? No, it says tweet, tweet.
Hey, Vander.
Why are you shaking your head, bud? Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, Vander. Why did the skeleton drink 8 milks of glass every day?
8 milks of glass.
No. 8 glasses of
8 glasses of milk a day?
8 glasses of milk a day.
You don't know? Why?
Because milk is good for the bone.
Ah ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
What is
Hold
a
it.
duck on the 4th of July?
What?
A firecracker.
Oh. Okay. Oh, goodness.